All right, come check out our first campsite. This is our first night in the beginning of our trip. We are at Heart of the Hills Campground in Washington State, and it is beautiful forest, beautiful emerald green forest with huge old growth trees, and come check it out.
So you can have campfires here, but we don't have any wood, so it doesn't look like that's going to happen. So this is our first night in the camper, and we're just trying to figure out where everything goes. And we got a lot of junk, so we're going to have to figure this out.
It's a little chilly, so we're dressing a little more warm tonight than what we've been used to. When you're in a colder, treed campsite like this too, there's bugs, and we have our bug spray.
It's birds! Oh my god, it's birds! Oh, it's burning!
We made it all the way up to the Hurricane Ridge, and it's absolutely stunning up here.
Wow, we didn't know it was this beautiful over here. Wow. That's so beautiful.
So here we are in Washington State in the Olympic mountain range. We just spent the day up at Hurricane Ridge, and it was absolutely stunning, and I highly recommend checking it out. It's a short drive up from Port Angeles. It's only about 35-40 minutes, and
at the top, there is a cafe and gift shop. So if you want to buy, you know, a tchotchke knick-knack, you can do it. But we got some sandwiches, and they're really good, and we sat there with the beautiful panoramic mountain view. That's Victoria right over here.
we got mountains, we got valleys, we got view, we got it all. Hurricane Ridge, it's nice. We're just on our way down from Hurricane Ridge. We're heading to Crescent Lake. I'll show you what that looks like.
Wait with that hand. Okay, you're gonna delete that.
This is night number 3, our second night in the States and our third night on our trip. And we are at Crescent Lake, and we just arrived and we're unpacking our stuff. He's making us lamb steak for dinner. So you'll show
A lamb leg steak.
Oh, yeah, look at that. Can't wait.
Hey everyone, it's time to cook. We're gonna cook at our campsite tonight. We're making lamb leg steaks with Brussels sprouts, butter, olive oil, and salt and pepper. And then we're gonna fry up a little Uncle Ben's roasted chicken and vegetable rice. This lamb we got at this really fancy store here in Port Angeles called Walmart. It is a lamb leg thigh steak. So we're gonna fry that up on the barbecue. We're gonna have some fresh Brussels sprouts too that I've cut up and added a bunch of chunks of butter. Also, I'm gonna add some olive oil and some salt and pepper, and I'm gonna let this cook on the barbecue grill. This Uncle Ben's rice you can pretty much make in the microwave, but we don't have a microwave in our rig. So we're gonna cook it in the frying pan. Adding a little bit of olive oil to the Brussels sprouts, a little salt, a little pepper. It's time to check our Brussels sprouts, and they're doing really good. They're looking really halfway cooked, and the butter isn't burning, which is great. Now we're gonna throw on our steaks, just like that. And we're gonna wait 4 minutes and flip them. I've just flipped the lamb steaks. They're almost a bit charred on top, but not too much, so they're gonna be really good. And over here we've got the Brussels sprouts, and they are almost perfectly done. It's looking really good. I can't wait to eat this. All right, so this is done. So it's time to take it off the grill, and we're gonna let it sit in tin foil for a few minutes, and then we're gonna put dinner together. And it's gonna be amazing, juicy, beautiful lamb steak.
Bon appétit!
I'm gonna take my first bite right now. It's really good. Oh, how is it?
Who would have thought lamb dinner at a campsite?
We're gonna have to have the fan on tonight. All the farting you're gonna be doing? And you. This just in, it looks delicious.